Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to customize your Snapchat polls with emoji choices. Now you can add emoji powered polls to snaps and stories to survey your friends' opinion or their thoughts. Snapchat visual poll works across iOS and Android phones, so all your friends can weigh in and show their thoughts. This is a new feature within Snapchat, so first make sure you update your Snapchat by going into the App Store. Once you've updated it, open your Snapchat app. In this example, I'll create a snap to a contact and add a poll. So tap on a contact and then create a snap. Now tap on the sticker icon and select the poll sticker. Snapchat now allows you to customize the answer using different emojis. So first, type in your question. Then tapping on the choices will allow you to select another emoji to replace it. And once you're done, go ahead and send it off. And that is how to customize your Snapchat polls with emoji choices. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.